Weleda Diaper Rash Cream, 2 9 ounces by Weleda is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Diaper Care Cream with Calendula 2 9 ounces cream product description. The manufacturer's best-selling Weleda Diaper Care Cream with Calendula provides fast yet gentle relief and treatment of diaper rash. Rich and creamy, it's a natural, soothing barrier cream formulated with non-nano, pharmaceutical-grade zinc oxide to take nurturing care of irritation and rashes and protect your baby's skin. Organic, anti-inflammatory calendula extract, from flowers grown in Weleda's own biodynamic gardens in Germany, helps soothe the redness and inflammation. Instead of mineral oil found in most diaper rash creams, Weleda uses fair-trade beeswax, which provides a breathable layer of protection to your baby's bottom. Skin-friendly sweet almond and sesame seed oils help keep skin healthy with vitamins and essential fatty acids. Dermatologist-tested and safe for most baby skin, even sensitive. Not tested on animals. Free of synthetic preservatives, fragrances and petroleum-derived raw materials. Directions apply to baby's bottom and diaper area after careful cleansing. Other ingredients: Ader, aqua, prunus amygdalis dulcis, sweet almond, oil, sesamum indicum, sesame, seed oil, zinc oxide, beeswax, Sera alba, lanolin, glyceryl linolate, hectorite, Calendula officinalis flower extract, Chamomilla recutita, matricaria, flower extract, fragrance, parfum, limonene, linalool, benzyl benzoate, benzyl salicylate, geraniol, farnesol. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. As with all dietary supplements, consult your healthcare professional before use. See product label for more information. External use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep this and all medicines out of the reach of children. Stop use and ask a doctor if condition worsens or persists more than 7 days, or if accidental ingestion occurs. Contains 1 2 9 ounce tube of Weleda Diaper Rash Cream with Calendula. Packaging may vary. Made with calendula extract from Weleda's very own biodynamic gardens in Germany. No parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrances or animal testing. Certified natural by Natru. Developed in cooperation with German midwives.